Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check MAC address on Windows 11 PC. For this, you can use up to 4 methods. Let me start without any delay. First two is through command prompt. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. This will open this one run dialog box. Here type CMD and click OK. Once command prompt opens on your PC, here you can type ipconfig /all. I will provide the link in this video description. If you can't remember the commands, you can copy from there. After typing ipconfig /all, press enter on the keyboard. Beside the physical address, you will find MAC address of your connected LAN card, Wi-Fi, whatever is available on your PC, connected to your PC. You will see that MAC address beside this one physical address option. Next one is through command prompt only, that command is get MAC. Simple, write get MAC, this one get MAC, and press enter on the keyboard. This will display MAC address on your PC, that is MAC address of the adapter that is connected to your PC. These are the two methods that you can find through this command prompt window. Next one is through control panel. For that, press this one a start button. Here type control, and in the search results click on this one control panel app entry. This will open control panel on your PC. Here click on this one network and internet. Then click on this one network and setting center. Then click on this one change adapter setting. Then select the adapter and right click on it. Choose a status option. Then click on this one details button. Here you can find MAC address beside physical address entry. Next one method is through settings app. For that, press Windows plus I key on the keyboard. This will open Windows 11 settings on your Windows 11 PC. Here select this one network and internet. Then scroll down to the bottom and click on this one option advanced network settings. Then click on this one hardware and connection properties option. Here you can find MAC address beside the physical address option. This one is MAC address in my PC. If more than one adapter is connected to your PC, you can see in different places. You need to check it. Last option is through system information. For this, click on this one a start button and type system information. When system information appears on your PC, click on this one system information app entry to open system information window. Then expand this one components by clicking on plus icon. Then click on this one network, expand network. Then select adapter option. On the right side, it will display MAC address. You need to find it. Here it will be written like this one MAC address, and you can cite beside the MAC address entry. You can find your adapter MAC address on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. If you have already subscribed and you love this video, press thumbs up, or you can even share with your friends. Bye bye.